because, like, you know, twists, you have them and they're just like there, so I wanted to pizzazz it up a little bit. What's up, Afro friends? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in. If you guys are new, welcome. Today's video, as you guys know from the title and you clicked on this video, duh, it is going to be over these jumbo Marley locks right here, brought to you by Bobbi Boss and the Afro Twista hair. It is in the color 4 and I did do the 24 inches. So as you all know, or my returners know, I don't get too much into the details about the hair. We will cover that in the tutorial portion of the video. So if you guys want to learn more about how I installed the hair and also a little bit about the hair itself, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so a little bit about this hair. This hair is super soft and lightweight. Like I said, I used the Bobbi Boss Afro Twista hair in the colors 4 and 27. I used 3 packs of the 4 and then I used 1 because they are separated into like 3 little bundles in there. I used 1 of the bundles in order to do this little skunk streak. I thought it was pretty trendy, on trend. So I did a little skunk streak with some of the blonde hair, and I thought that it turned out really well because I wanted I didn't want it to be like super boring and bland, because, like, you know, twists, you have them and they're just like there, so I wanted to pizzazz it up a little. In the tutorial, I did use the rubber band method for these. Since they're such big twists, I did decide to do the rubber band method in order to prolong the hairstyle a little bit more. I know a lot of people are against rubber bands, but I like them for jumbo box braids. Also, I like them for jumbo twists because I feel like with twists, it is so hard to keep them in and to keep your base really, really smooth and nice looking. Mine usually end up looking really bad after like a week. So your girl used some rubber bands and just split the hair in 2. Put the actual twisting hair in between and then covered it and then rubber banded it together, and it worked out pretty well. I really, really like these. I've had these in for about a week now, and as you can see, they look still pretty good. Honestly, they look really, really nice, really, really sturdy. And because they are more of like the bohemian type look, they look a little rough already. Like when I was originally doing them, I don't really have to worry about them like frizzing or anything like that because they're already kind of frizzy. So that's kind of what I like in order to like do my protective styles. I already like the bohemian look. If you go back on my channel, you'll see a lot of like really, really free base styles, but I really like these because I can definitely be as rough as I want to with them, and as long as the base doesn't look too bad, it keeps the style looking pretty good. The hair is pretty manageable. The only thing that I will say about the hair that I particularly didn't care for was that when I went to go and rake out the hair so that it would be a little bit more smoother for the twist, even though I really wanted like the bohemian kind of like rough looking twist, I still wanted them to be a little bit smoother, so I would comb out the hair. The hair was really, really prone to tangle, so I didn't really care for that doing this type of hairstyle. If I was doing like faux locks or something like that where I really didn't have to really manipulate the hair a lot, I would definitely like that a lot better. If you would like to maximize the length of your twist, I do recommend staggering the hair out when I was doing each twist, I used about 3 strands of the hair. So when I was using them, I would make sure that one end was a little bit longer, and so it was shorter on the opposite end. Obviously the other end would be the same, so that I could get the maximum length out of these twists. I didn't really want the style to be super short, so I wanted them to be pretty long. So I made sure to stagger my ends so that they definitely reached a little bit longer than what they would normally do if you just kind of kept all of the strands together. So as always, if I didn't answer any questions that you might have, just go on ahead and drop them down in that comment section below. While you're there, go on ahead and smash that like button, just to show your girl some love. And if you aren't subscribed yet, why haven't you? Go on ahead and click on my face, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.